Imagine coming home to a quiet breath, a space that simply welcomes you back. It's about crafting a feeling, isn't it? Starting with soft curtains and the perfect sofa, this room whispers calm. What makes a living area truly yours is how the light filters through everything, creating moments of pure stillness. I love how thoughtful details, like ambient lighting or a beautiful rug, transform possibility into reality. It's less about owning things and more about curating a sanctuary where every gathering feels effortless. When a space feels truly yours, it's not just about the furniture. It's about the moments you live within its walls. Imagine starting your day with light filtering through effortless curtains, inviting calm into the room. A simple rug can ground the conversation, while thoughtful lighting creates those perfect pockets of warmth. It's a sanctuary built around connection, a place where every corner just feels like coming home, allowing you to simply breathe and live beautifully.
Think about coming home, that quiet moment when everything just settles. It's not just about the beautiful sofa or the perfect rug, it's the feeling of light changing as you settle in. We love how natural elements like flowing curtains frame those gentle shifts of day. A thoughtful glow from your lighting, anchored by warm paint tones, these details create a sanctuary. What makes a room truly yours is that effortless harmony, the subtle depth added by quality textiles, and the quiet promise of possibility every single morning.
When you step into a space, it shouldn't just look good. It should feel like coming home. What if the atmosphere itself was designed around you? It's about those quiet moments, the morning light filtering through soft curtains, or sinking onto a deeply comfortable sofa after a long day. We find possibility in details. Perhaps the right lighting accentuates an entire room's mood. These elements work together, transforming mere walls into a sanctuary. It's that effortless breath of calm, making every corner feel inherently yours. Have you ever thought about what a truly peaceful space feels like? It's not just about the furniture, it's about the light. I love how thoughtful details, like these curtains that soften the edges of the day, can completely redefine your mood. When everything flows together, from the texture of the rug to the gentle glow of ambient lighting, you realize home is a sanctuary. It's where you finally breathe out and maybe find a quiet corner with that perfect sofa just for yourself.